when you need.
Hello everyone, I just want you to see how far I have come in decluttering my basement. Guys, I'm telling you, decluttering is the best. It's the best. When you get rid of things that you really didn't need, really be truthful about yourself about what you can get rid of. Because like I said before, if you're willing to sell it, you can part with it. So if you're having a problem with things that you're, just hard to part with, but you would rather sell it, then you actually are telling yourself that you can part with it. So if failing to sell the stuff doesn't happen, then just part with it, donate it, give it to friends, give it to families, give it to neighbors. But guys, I have went through my whole house and I have decluttered. You see the stuff here? I have even decluttered knick-knack, paddywhacks, give a dog a bone. And I'm telling you right now, I don't clean as much. I don't have to clean as much. I only keep what I really, really like. And now because I have decluttered, and I have decluttered every room, guys, decluttering has become addictive. You don't have to clean as much. Things is not sitting around crowding and enclosing your home, making your home feel small. You don't have to do as much dusting. And the room that you will get from it is way better. Guys, I want to let you know that there is no rush to declutter as long as you do something every day. But if you declutter, just know you are not perfect. And you may give away or sell some things that may hurt you. But if you really look at it, you're hurting anyway because you have too much clutter. So once you get rid of that stuff, guys, you're going to be like, wow, I really love my space. I love how open it is. I love how clean it is. I love that I can walk around without tripping over anything. My house looks so much better. And I say, just keep working towards throwing something away every day, giving something away every day until you accomplish what you're trying to do. Now, guys, I'm not going to walk you through my whole house, but this is the basement, believe it or not. This is my basement, and I have decluttered down to basically nothing. And I'm going to tell you right now, the next thing that I am going to donate, throw away, or give away, believe it or not, let me show you. It's these two vases here. I detest them. These two, not my Buddha, but these two vases here. The little white vase trimmed in silver and the shorter vase trimmed in silver. I'm telling you guys right now, I want to get all of this stuff out of my house. Like I told you before, I had a gang of pillows. I solved the pillow problem. You're going to have to go back and look at those videos and figure out how I solved the pillow problem. Because when I wanted to change my decorating decor, I would just buy more pillows to change my decor. But I solved that problem cleverly. House. If it don't have to be in my house, I don't want it in my house. Guys, I went through a lot to get rid of a lot of things that I had. It was so bad that, let me tell you, that room back there was a store. Now, guys, that is no longer a store in that room. That room is cleaned out, and now I am going to turn it into an exercise room. Really figured out what my problem was. My problem when it came to clutter was change, was simply change. I love to change up my area. But instead of using what I already had, I was always going out buying new things. And slowly but surely, my house got cluttered. So when I started seeing these things and it became laboring to store these things, I didn't buy containers to store extra stuff. That's another thing you have to realize, guys. If you feel like you have a lot of clutter in your home, don't try to organize the clutter. Get rid of the clutter. Minimize the clutter, and you're going to see a dramatic difference. Because if you try to organize it and buy bins and storage bins and boxes and label them and put things up like that, okay, that's nice in the beginning when you're trying to get over the clutter and when you're trying to come to grips with, okay, I really have to get rid of the clutter. But if you just sitting up there just constantly boxing this clutter up, that's an extra box of crap that you have in your house. You're just constantly organizing and storing clutter. And you see that pillow, that long pillow, that white pillow between the two brown pillows? I want to get rid of that. That is the next thing that is going to go. I don't want that anymore. I don't want those two vases right there anymore. And basically, guys, that's what I'm dealing with. I'm not keeping anything that's going to clutter up my space. I am not keeping anything that will clutter up my space. And I can tell you this right now, guys. If you think about why you clutter, if you think about why you overbuy, and then rethink it. And what I mean by rethink it is, like I said earlier, if you have a lot of clutter and you say, I want to sell this clutter, then your real problem is you don't want to waste money because you spent your money on it. But at the same time, if you're not successful with selling it, then you have to think of it like this. Either give it away as presents, people, who you go to school with, work with, family members, neighbors. Give it away, donate it. And like I have said before, if you're willing to sell it, then you are willing to part with it, and you're halfway there. You have won the battle. You just have to get rid of it. I cannot express it more, guys. I have went through every challenge there is to get rid of clutter. And I have gotten down to this point using every trick in the book, from watching hoarder videos to getting inspired to jump up and throw things away. And I can tell you right now, when you get inspired to throw something away, please get up and move at that moment and throw it completely out of your house. Well, guys, I will continue to bring you videos on what worked for me, how to free yourself of clutter, and to make it okay to get rid of stuff, even if you spent your money on it. We're going to keep it completely real. Guys, thumbs up this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell so you'll know when my next video is coming out, because this channel is about making your whole life better in every aspect, guys. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, subscribe to my channel, support my channel, guys, and I will talk to you later. Mwah! When you need my